We solved this question from SSSCE 2000 objective question number 1 and 2, and it says that the Venn diagram below shows a class of 40 students studying one or more of 3 subjects: mathematics, economics, and geography. So that is the diagram that we have here. So M is for mathematics, E is for economics, and G is for geography. And we have to use it to answer the questions 1 and 2. So that is the first one. The first one says that we have to find the value of A. So we can spot A here. So we have A here. Before we start, if today is your first time on my students class channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that you'll be promptly informed anytime we upload a new video. And hey, one more thing. Click the like button so that the video can reach a lot of people. Thank you. Now let's continue. Now if you look at it, there is 3 such problem. We have not been given the number of students studying mathematics, but of course we know them here. We can count them over here. We don't know that of the econs, we don't know that of the geography, but we have been given the total number of students, that is the universal set. So what we can do here is that we can add all of the numbers here that is in the 3 sets and equate it to 40. So what it means that everything in the rectangle should be equal to the universal set 40. So what it means here is that everything in the rectangle, when you add it, you should get the universal set that is 40. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add everything here. So I'm going to take 12 and add it to 2 here. Then I'll add it to 3. I'll add it to 5 plus 5. Okay, so I have the whole of the thing here. Then 2, 10 plus 2 plus 10. Then A 2 here. Everything should be equal to 40. So I just have to simplify this. 12 plus 2, that is 14, plus 3. I'm gonna get 17 plus 5, 22 plus 2, 24 plus 10. That is 34. So I have 34 plus A equals 40. So A is equal to, you subtract 34 from both sides of the equal sign, or you can say that you make A the subject or you group like terms. Okay, so you have 40 minus 34. That is when this crosses the equal sign, the sign will change to negative. That is from positive to negative. So that means the value of A is 6. So that is as simple as that. So the correct option for this question is the A here, because if you put a 6 here and you add all in the universal set, you get a 40. All right, so we look at it, the question 2, and it says that we have to find the number of students who study only one subject. Now when you're dealing with 3 such problems, let me try to draw this. Let the black be the first one, that is the mathematics, the circle for mathematics. Let me use a blue ink for that of economics here, and then let me use the red ink for that of geography. Now if you look at this, when we say those who study only one subject, only one subject means that those who study only mathematics, or so math only, or economics only, or what is it, geography only. So we are talking about those who are here, that's math only. That is, you don't have to intersect any of these 2 sets. Or we are talking about those who study only economics in this area, or those who study only geography. Now if you look at the diagram that we have here, that is what we have here. Those who study only mathematics, they are 12. So we see this here. So we have 12 plus, and those who study only economics, that is A, so plus A, plus those who study only geography, we have 10, so that is plus 10. But we have found the value of A as 6, so we have 12 plus 6, then we have it plus 10. All right, so that is that. So we have this plus that, and we get 18 plus 10, then you have 28. So those who study only one subject is 28, and that is option D here. So that is how we solve this question, as simple as that.